Welcome to West Green. For West Green, on the Seven Sisters to Palace Gates branch line, here in Australia. That's better. We can read it now. The blood rushes to my head. It's down here. So, not only am I building that in too, I've done this some time ago. I put some embankments in. I've put it on this side. I've got to bog it up with plaster now. God, I hate bogging with plaster. I feel like it's botching. Anyway, I will get there. I'm going to put a little signal box in there. It's only a small one. I had a big one before. Looked like the signal box at King's Cross Station. Bit of overkill. So that's the next job. I'm going to plaster this up. Yeah, I'm building a static grass generator. Rewind. A static grass applicator. I'm building one. It'd be nice to get some colour in there. I think it'll really start to take shape when I do. So that's where I'm up to. I've still got a station to build, and I got permission. I got permission to do this. The line, it does go around here, but it doesn't go anywhere. It goes around the back of this tank here. And all these fruit trees here. How'd you like my mandarins? They're just a bit ripe now. They're really nice. But I'm actually going to get rid of this. I'm going to put that down the end. And I think I'm just going to build another fiddle yard in here, so I can run it to and fro. That's the idea. Anyway, thanks for watching.